everyone, and welcome back to Cafe V. I'm a college student who really loves coffee, and today I'm going to show you how to take a floral twist on your regular everyday coffee. So first you're going to take out a fin drip filter, and I really like this because it extracts a really bold concentrate of coffee, but you can use any type of coffee making method that you like. I also use the AeroPress as well. Now you're just going to take some Café du Monde, which is a classic like Vietnamese coffee type of coffee grind, but you can just take any type of coarsely ground coffee. Then I'm just adding in my lavender leaves, which I get from this black tea mix, but if you have fresh lavender leaves, that's even better, so you can get that strong flavor. And I'm just putting in about a teaspoon, or if you want a stronger flavor, you can add more too. Now I'm just tightening the fin drip and then I'm just saturating it with some hot water for about 15 seconds, and then I'll fill the chamber to the top with the rest of the boiling water that I have. And now your coffee should be extracted like this. So if you add more coffee into the chamber, then you'll get a slower extraction, so a stronger taste, but if you add less, then it's going to drip faster. Now I'm just going to add some honey to my liking. So I kind of like this a little sweet, so I'm adding in about 2 teaspoons of honey. Then I'm just mixing it around with a chopstick. And now you can just top it off with some oat milk. If you really want that pretty gradient effect, make sure you put ice on top before you put on the milk. But there you go. Now you have a fresh, sweet, and floral tasting coffee for your morning. Thank you for watching. Bye!